Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jeff White, Jeff White Fitness Solutions. Thanks for checking out this video today. And today you can pretty much see what I want to talk about. I want to talk about cars. We all have heard or seen videos where people talk about what you need to prep for your house. You need the food, the water, the energy, security, all that good stuff. That's very true. But there are some things that we need to do outside of that, and some of them pertain to our cars. So I have 3 products that I think that everyone should have. If you own a car or someone close to you in your house owns a car, you should have these 3 things. So I want you to check these out. So as always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Please leave me a comment and let me know what items you think are also needed for your car. So, okay guys, let's just check these out. Ready? Let's do it. All right, so here is prep number 1. It's a car jump starter. Now, if you're like me, you had jumper cables, and if someone needed a jump, you had to get your cables out, you had to untangle the cables, you had to get your car in front of their car and hope that the cables would reach. Well, with this thing here, those days are over. And it is the car jump starter. It is very small. Here is the piece right here. Here's the main piece right here, as you can see. And then all you have to do is connect this part right here. Put that down. You connect this part here to that piece I just showed you. So I'm going to take this off and show you exactly how this thing works. Sitting in my house, of course, because I ain't getting in my car. All right, so then you just connect it right here. Take this piece, connect, and you see the blue light there. When you connect these cables, the red positive, black negative, into the car, the light will turn green, and then you literally start the car. It is just that simple. That's all you got to do. This thing is amazing. I've used this 4 times. I've used it for my wife's truck, and I've used it for a friend. She had a need to jump, and I also used it when I was waiting in the car line at my son's school. So this thing is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Very small, and it also charges with this here, the USB cord, so you can charge it very, very easily. Excellent product, and I think everyone should have one of these. Okay, item number 2 is a tire inflator. A tire inflator. I don't know about you guys, but there have been many times where I have literally gotten up and gone out, and so I got a flat tire. And you talk about just ruining your day. So then you gotta, put the, you gotta take the tire off. Or if you got, like me, you have a truck and you don't have the big jack, which I'm about to order, you have to get someone else to lift your truck for you. That is a real pain. So with this, if you have like a slow leak or something like that, you can put the air in the tire and take it wherever you need to go to either get a new tire or what have you. And so here is the machine right here. This thing is pretty amazing. I really like this. This is a small one. There are much bigger ones out there, but you want to get what's right for you. So basically this thing inflates car tires, it inflates basketballs and other inflatables. And it also comes with a little needle. It comes with the needle, and it comes with the thing for the inflatable too. So basically what you want to do with this is you attach this to the tire. It literally screws on, and then you have this part here which you attach to your car charger. You turn the car on and then you can charge it. But I have a little generator here in the house. So I'm going to show you exactly how this thing works. So check this out. So I attached it to my little generator. the car adapter. You can see it has a little light on it. And then I have this piece here, as you can see. And then you have the gauge. You have the gauge right there. And then you turn it on. There it comes out. See how easy that is? Now, like I said, this is a small one, so it takes about 8 minutes or less to fill up a tire. But would you rather have this in your house, or would you rather have to go to the gas station and pay, I don't know how much? Some places charge a lot more than others. Some are free. But the fact is, if you have this at your house, you're good to go. All right, so that's the next thing you want to get. And I'm going to include the links to all this stuff. I bought it all on Amazon, so I'm going to include the links here. All right, so now I got one more thing to show you. All right, item number 3 is, this is a emergency puncture repair kit. Now I have a small one here. This is a very, very small one, and I'm going to get more, but I just wanted to just get it just to get it. See, the thing is, when you prep, you just want to get things little by little, bit by bit. And so I literally just got this, and I have not opened it yet. I haven't opened it at all. I mean, literally, I haven't unsealed any of this stuff yet. So you got the little thing here. We might as well open it right now. Let's see what we got. Okay, got a little screwdriver. Like if you got a nail in your truck or your tire, whatever. You got that. And then you have the things to seal up the little puncture. When you take that nail out, you have a bunch of these in there to help take it out and then seal it up with that. And then it also gives you some instructions too. So they come with instructions, which is pretty cool. So even if you're not car savvy, if you say, well, yeah, I'm not gonna worry about it, I don't think I need to get this stuff. If you're in a jam and you're out and about someplace and your car doesn't start, you got a flat, and someone offers to help you and you say, well, I don't have anything, I would rather you have this stuff. And if you have it, then I can definitely help you. So even if you don't know how to use it, just have it in your car, because you may come across someone who does know how to use it, like me. So these are some great things to have. I think everyone should have them. So again, check out this tire inflator. Check out a jump starter. And last but certainly not least, get you a tire puncture kit. Because look at it like this. What if there's some type of crazy SHTF event and we're on lockdown and you still got to get out, but places are closed? Or there's a power outage and the gas station, their air machine doesn't work. Or your car doesn't start and you got AAA or whoever and they can't come out for hours and hours and hours. Or you don't even have AAA. And so you're stuck and you're relying on someone else to help you. With this stuff here, you can literally get yourself back on the road by yourself without any help. Unless you don't know how to change a tire or whatever. But anyway, get this stuff. Just have it, because the goal is to be as self-sufficient as possible. You want to have your food, you want to have your water, you want to have your security, your energy, all that good stuff. But then again, you want to be able to be a little more self-sufficient in other areas of your life too. And these are some excellent ways to become self-sufficient in your car. All right, guys, that's it for today. Hope you like that. Let me know what you think. And we'll talk later, and stay safe. All right, y'all. Peace.